Well, we got our cylinder up to the shop here and got him tore down. Have to hose that all out. Yet these things actually they come apart pretty easy. There's the head gland nut. If you can see, it's actually split. And when you put this thing together, you tighten it down. You'll install your bolts here, and then you put like a set screw in there, and that tightens your threads up. It's like a tapered, kind of a neat design. Same way on the piston nut. You take your set screw loose. This came off by hand. Unlike 99.999% of the other cylinders we work on, you're getting out your big cheater pipe. These do come apart pretty easy. Grove had a pretty good design. Yeah. And here's the problem. There's your head. Yeah, there you can see. The seal just basically comes apart, deteriorates over time. And luckily we had the seals in stock. Grove is just now part of Manitowoc. Once again, these seals weren't that bad. I think they're only like 55 bucks. You know, that's like a 5-inch cylinder. It's not bad. Well, hopefully get him all cleaned up here, put him back together in the morning, and be back in business. We'll see you folks.